Okay, we are back 99 Honda Accord. He has a busted upper radiator hose. As you can see here, we bought a new one from AutoZone. There's the part number. So this should be a quick fix. All you need is a screwdriver. Remove the clamp. My trick is to take it loose from here so you can catch it from coming out the radiator. So I would do this side first. But you probably don't have much coolant in here since it's already came out. But always get it from this end so you can pull it up. See? And you can put it in the container if you need to. Okay? Slide the clamps back on the new hose. You gotta see which side is which. Gotta go this way. Okay, a little trick is clean that off. Put some oil on the slide on these. Slide on easier. All right, tighten them up, good to go. Okay, like so, that's it, just tighten them up. That's it, good to go. Upper radiator hose. Done deal. Fill it back up. Fill it up here. Start the car up. Okay, the customer wants to remove the lower radiator hose. So you unloosen it back here at the thermostat housing back here. Okay, I got that loose, as you can see. You follow it. You follow it, but them bastards put the screw upside down, so technically you got to remove the heat, the cover, the plastic. That's a lot of work. You see what I'm saying? But here we specialize in the shortcut. Okay, so to get that screw that's down there at the bottom of that radiator hose, as you can see it, we are going to get a 1/4-inch ratchet and we're gonna hand it out. So let me get it so nobody's taking all that plastic. Like I said, this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. And I got my Milwaukee light. You see what I'm saying? Milwaukee everything. So that's what we gonna do. Okay. So as you can see, get your 8mm. You can get on that screw down here. And you don't have to take that plastic off. See? And that's all you gotta do. 8mm. Okay? I got it loose. See? It's loose. So just use your ratchet, 8mm. You can get that mouth off. So that's the shortcut. I'm gonna take that plastic off the bottom. So we're gonna go and slip the hose off, cut it off, and get done with this. Okay, so we're gonna go on and cut this with the knife. Make it easy. Okay, get your knife and just go on and cut this out. Just like up top. And that's that. But let it drain so you can catch the coolant. Okay, that's it. Good knife too. M&P, Smith & Wesson, damn good pocket knife.
Dude, y'all got a lot of shit to learn first.
See, you just pull it out. She out of there. And that's that. You install it in reverse. See how I cut it? Made it a lot easier to slide off. Just cut it on both ends. Slip right off. And here go the new one. Here go the part number. So, remember, like I said, oil the ends. Put some oil in here, WD-40. So it slide on easy. Both ends. That's it. No clamp, get the new clamps. Let's get going.
It was just killing people. And so we
Okay,
came up with
it's
a
back
system
on.
where we have sensor check.
Also, the robot was essentially
killing the people.
It's back on.
Because
And that's
the law
that.
design,
Get money.
design from going. And so we came up with a solution.